Welcome to Cleo's Kitchen. Today in my kitchen, I will show you how to make a delicious vegetable salad. Then we will make potatoes and cheese. Finally, we will make fried cod fish. Vegetable salad ingredients: 2 packs of spinach, 1 pack of sliced mushrooms, 1 large white onion, half a stick of butter, smoked Gruyere cheese, regular Cheddar cheese. Oh, I grate the cheese. Next, I slice half the onion. Make sure to cut it into small pieces. And I heat some cooking oil and butter in a pan. I add a teaspoon of garlic. When the garlic has boiled, add the spinach. Cook the spinach until it is dark green and soft. When the spinach is done cooking, transfer it to a glass pan. Let's cook the onion. In the same pan, add the chopped onions. For season, I add Siracha Sauce to the onions. Then I add the chopped mushrooms. Add salt and pepper. Cook mushrooms and onions for 10 to 12 minutes. When they are done, add the onions and mushrooms to the pan with the spinach. Beat 5 eggs together in another bowl. Add salt and pepper for seasoning. Then pour the eggs mixture evenly in the glass pan with the spinach and mushrooms. Next, add grated cheese on top evenly and bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes until top is golden. Peel 4 large white potatoes and cut them into small cubes. Next, cut up 2 bell peppers. Slice them thin and long as I did. Then cut into cubes. Heat about 1 to 2 cups of oil. Fry the potatoes until they are golden. Now cook the peppers. Add butter and garlic. Once the garlic is browned, and add the bell peppers, season to taste. When the peppers are cooked, add the fried potatoes. Season with parsley, paprika, and I use complete season. Stir and transfer to a glass pan. Add grated cheese on top. Bake in oven at 350 degrees until cheese had melted. Last, we will make fried cod fish. I have 6 pieces of tariffed cod fish. Season them with salt, pepper, or whatever season you want. Make sure to flip over on both sides. In a plastic bag, add cornmeal and flour mix. Add the fish to the bag and coat evenly. In a pan, heat 2 cups of oil and add fish into oil after it gets hot. Cook fish until golden. And now we are finished cooking. These dishes are all for people who don't have a lot of time to cook. Whether you work or live a busy life, this recipe can be made in a small amount of time. If you like my recipe, please leave me a comment below. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Au revoir. Goodbye. Until next time.